We took the plenum off and we wanted to see where the breakage in the wiring is. So what we did, we found out this breakout connector right here, and we connected to the wire that coming from
the power
from the injector to here. And what we did, we give it ground. We connected it to ground, and check the ground right here. We can see that there's no break in this wire because it's carrying ground. See, if we disconnect the ground,
no power.
No power, no ground.
Yeah.
So we couldn't back up. So the wiring from the injector to the breakout box is good. Now we need to check from the other end of the connector to the computer.
Right.
But lo and behold, we looked at the connector. I don't know if you can zoom in, and we're gonna see clearly what the problem is. Try to.
There you go.
Yeah, see that pin? Number 2 pin on the first row is bent all the way down. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to straighten it out. If we are successful, problem is solved. If not, which is there's a good possibility this pin gonna break. We're gonna jump a wire from this end of the harness to this end of the harness to bypass the breakthrough. We'll get back with you when the fix is done.